Hello, this question appeared in both the Foundation and Higher Paper 1 in May 2024. It was question 24 on the Foundation paper and question 5 on the Higher paper. We're told Sophie drives a distance of 513 kilometres on a motorway in France. She pays €0.81 for every 10 kilometres she drives. Part A asks us to work out an estimate for the total amount that Sophie pays. And Part B asks, is your answer to Part A an underestimate or an overestimate? And tells you to give a reason for your answer. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. We're told that Sophie drives a distance of 513 kilometres and that she pays €0.81 for every 10 kilometres she drives. So the first thing we need to find out is how many 10 kilometres there are in 513. So we need to work out 513 divided by 10. We're asked to work out an estimate. So we're going to say this is approximately equal to, and we're going to round the 513 to one significant figure. So this would round to 500. So this would be 50. And then we would work out the cost, which would be 50 lots of 0.81, as that's the cost of euros per 10 kilometres. And this is approximately equal to 50 times 0.8, where we know that 0.8 is the same as 4/5. And to work out this, we know that we would divide the 50 by 5 and then times by 4. So 50 divided by 5 is 10 and times by 4 would give us 40. And so our answer would be €40. Part B asks us if our answer to Part A is an underestimate or an overestimate. When we did our estimating, we reduced our 513 to be 500. So this 50 is smaller than what it should be. And then when we times our 50 by 0.81, again, when we did our estimating, we reduced the 0.81 to be 0.8. So again, our answer here is going to be smaller than it should be. So our answer to Part B is it's an underestimate. And the reason is because we rounded 513 down to 500 and 0.81 down to 0.8. This is a 4-mark question. There are 3 marks available for Part A. To get these 3 marks, you have to have used some acceptable rounding in your estimate. The first mark is available if you have rounded one value to one significant figure. So we would have got a mark for rounding the 513 to 500 or the 0.81 to 0.8. The second mark is for showing that you understand you needed to divide by 10 and times by 0.81. And the third mark is for giving an appropriate estimate. Part B is worth 1 mark, and this is for stating it's an underestimate and giving a valid reason about rounding down.